Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lesson, let's explore the navigation inside Power BI desktop. Now that you have downloaded and opened Power BI, this is the screen you will see. If you want to continue working on something you already created, you can click on Open Recent Files from the Home section. Or if you'd like to start fresh, click on Blank Report. This opens up a completely new report for you to build on. At the top, you'll notice the toolbar. From the Home tab, you can connect to data and manage queries. The Insert tab helps you add visualizations, images, and shapes. Under Modeling, you can work with measures and relationships. The View tab helps you adjust the layout and apply themes similar to PowerPoint. Optimize is used to improve performance of your reports. And finally, the Help section gives you access to tutorials and documentation. Let's talk about navigation pane that is on the left side. On the left hand side, you will find three main views. A report view, where you design dashboards and reports. Data view, where you can explore the tables you have loaded. Model view, where you manage relationships between tables. Power BI also have a new DAX and semantic model editing feature where you can directly modify your data model. Now let's talk about the canvas center area. The large white area in the middle is called the canvas. This is where all the action happens. You will drag and drop visualization here, resize them, and build your reports. You can also adjust how the canvas looks. Fit to page shows everything at once with less scrolling. Fit to width adjusts the report to your screen width. Actual size shows the report in original size but requires more scrolling. I personally recommend using Fit to Page so you can see everything clearly. Now let's talk about right hand side panes. On the right hand side, you will see multiple panes. Filter to apply filters at the visual, page, or report level. Data to view all the fields from your tables. Visualizations to add and customize charts, tables, and maps. Format to adjust colors, labels, and overall look of your visuals. Now let's talk about the pages that are at the bottom. At the bottom, you will notice the pages area. Here you can add multiple report pages, just like having multiple sheets in Excel. So that's the quick tour of Power BI's navigation. Toolbar on top for actions, views on the left for report, data, and model, canvas in the center for building visuals, panes on the right for filters, fields, and formatting, pages at the bottom to organize your reports. So in the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into working with data in Power BI. See you there.